This is a land where rivers were once filled with gold, forests were full of moa, mountains carved out by great giant glaciers, where the bold decided to take chances and where the impossible became reality.
Kia ora!
Welcome to Queenstown. It's all yours to discover.
So being an ambassador is about sharing our mana with our guests, making sure they get the best experience possible here in Queenstown.
We live in the most beautiful place in the world and it's up to us to share it.
It's the people that provide the smiles, the information, the advice. It's these little tips that turn a good holiday into a brilliant one.
Queenstown is not just another destination. Together, we're all ambassadors.
Whether you're here for a month, a season, 5 years, or a lifetime, it's about leaving a legacy and making a real difference in people's lives.